Meteorologist Dustin Bonk here with your weather on demand for UpperMichiganSource.com. Snow is the word for today, and well, a lot of people don't really want it because it's mid-April. We're supposed to be getting into spring, right? But, well, either way, winter storm is on the way now this morning, impacting parts of Minnesota and a little bit of Wisconsin, seeing some rain and some mix, and it's all slowly but surely getting towards the UP. The National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings valid through Friday evening for pretty much a good chunk of the UP, but every county bordering Lake Superior. Winter weather advisories inland, those valid through Friday afternoon. Winds gusty today. That'll be the story for a good while yet, and maybe a little bit more for tomorrow for Friday's forecast. Gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour, not seen at this moment this morning, but they will be pretty likely later on today. Now here's a story of what's going on around us. That low pressure center is well to our south now, and it is very slowly making its way northward. In fact, this morning it's almost in the exact same spot it was yesterday, 24 hours earlier. But it is moving northward towards the Great Lakes, and that'll be the story that's giving us all that snow for tonight. Now behind it, much colder air. That'll be keeping us below average for temperatures for tomorrow and possibly through Saturday. A little bit more mild and on the warm side ahead of it, but not so much. This is actually much colder than what it was yesterday around the nation. Of course, across the country on our national radar and satellite, there's that line of showers and thunderstorms. That's been the story, has been traveling from west to east with that same system. It's been causing numerous hail, high wind reports, even 6 tornado reports, according to the Storm Prediction Center yesterday. That'll likely pick up in intensity again with the heat of the afternoon. And the National Weather Service has issued, of course, with the north side of this system, winter storm warnings valid from the Dakotas all the way through the UP. We're not the only ones seeing some snow out of this system. So here's Thursday's forecast throughout the day today, moving north, bringing snow with it. Over on the east half of the UP, there should be a little bit of a transition line between the rain and the snow. So we could see a bit of a mix. So that's most likely in the afternoon hours when highs will likely be a little bit above that 32-degree threshold. But for the most part, this is a snow event. Windy conditions as well will reduce visibility. So here's a look at that precipitation starting out in the morning and afternoon, and just slowly moving north. That'll be lasting all day today, and overnight is when we should see the heaviest snow into early Friday morning, and then Friday is when it starts to diminish, but we will see more snow Friday. Mainly it'll transition into lake effect into Saturday's forecast. Today's high is into the low 30s, and here's how much snow we can expect. About 1 to 3 inches inland at the start of this system for the afternoon, early evening, of course less inland as it continues to move north. But tonight, Thursday night, is when things get really interesting here. 4 to 7 inches, blanket forecast, 5 to 10 along Lake Superior, 6 to 10 in Marquette and Baraga counties or in some of the higher terrains with that lake enhancement. That's likely to see the most snow, but not likely to see over 10 inches as of right now, but it could get up into intensity, and especially with the added snowfall amounts for Friday. Your TV 6-day forecast, 30s for temperatures through Saturday. Sunday's a turning point. Could see some sunshine with the high pressure system, and then we start to see some warmer temperatures. We'll approach more spring-like conditions for Monday through next Wednesday and much of next week, where we should see some snow melt, more so than snowfall.